Good morning. I welcome again to the lecture Decision Support System and Business Intelligence. In today's lecture, we are going to discuss about development process of an artificial neural network. There are 9 steps in development process of an artificial neural network. First step is collect, organize and format the data from our problem, from our example or from our applications. Get more data, reform if we have already data process. If not, then we have to collect the data with using some sensors like camera, temperature sensor. According to our application, we have to select that data. Once you have selected data, we have collected data, then we have to do some operations for separate data into the training, validation and testing set. We have to make there 3 sets. First training set, then validation sets and the testing sets. We have to do there 3 sets. After that, decide on a network architecture and structure. According to our problem, we have to decide the neural network structure like back propagation, linear, which neural network structure we have to select according to our problem, which will be suitable, more suitable to our problem, that we will select there. And then select the learning method, learning algorithm like supervised learning algorithm, unsupervised learning algorithm, reinforcement learning algorithm. If we make want to do clustering, then we have to select unsupervised learning. For classification, we have to select regression analysis. To do unsupervised learning algorithm, we have to select as per our problem, as per the uh, domain application. There we should select learning algorithm. Then once we have selected learning algorithm, set the network parameters and initialize their values. Initialize their values.
हेलो
How much features are there? Yes,
हेलो सर
yes, yes.
सर स्क्रीन नहीं दिख रही आपकी
अभी भी नहीं दिख रही.
नहीं नहीं सर अभी लॉग आउट होके वापस लॉग इन हुई हूँ मैं
हाँ हाँ. Oh. You see development process model. Is it visible now?
नो सर सर योर that microphone screen is looking but not that website
My am I visible? My video is visible to you?
no sir only your voice I can hear
Okay. have a question? I'm not listening. Yes, I'm not able to listen your voice. Albara, have a question? Okay. Yes, Amar, are you there? Ibrahim, are you getting the point? Is there any question? Yes, Kalpesh. Kalpesh, have any doubts? Okay. Daniel, Bajay, Prachi, Sanskruti, Shivam, Shreya, Tanuja. Okay. Anybody have any doubts? Ask. We are at development process of an artificial neural network, and we are looking the step 4. In step 4, we will select the learning algorithm like supervised, unsupervised, and reinforcement. After that, set the network parameter and initialize their values. As we are using artificial neural network, there are the inputs to the network, and according to our problem, we have to select the features to train the network and provide the values to the network. So in the step number 5, we have to initialize the parameters and their values according to the problem domain. After this step, initialize the weight and start the training and validations, and then stop the training. If we are getting here the good output, good validations, according to our validations we are getting uh, good result, then stop this training and freeze the network weight. That weight is the threshold weight. So we have got their optimum result, optimum values. So in this step, stop the training and freeze the network weight. After that, test the train network. Once we have freeze network, then test that again on real life applications by providing the testing data, real testing data which is not trained into that model. Suppose we have hundreds of record, 1 to hundreds. Okay, for training we use from 20 to 100 records, and we have kept 1 to 20 records for the testing of the network. At the step number 9, we have to use these test data sets and apply on the freeze network and find the output. If it is good, then no problem. Otherwise, reset and restart the training and initialize the weight and start training and validation again. Otherwise, if we are getting good results, appropriate results, optimum results, then deploy the network for the use on unknown new cases. We can sell our software, we can provide this software to another problem, another organization, another business, because this is a tested software, tested model, that this model will provide now a better result, better prediction better classifications. So we will select this. Once we have selected the model, like you see, we seen one example, multi-layer perceptron artificial neural network structure for the box office prediction problem. There the movies, different type of movies, like general audience movie, parental guidance movie, restricted movies, hmm, and so on. So we have to select the features of the movie. First, competitions. There three features we will select from competition, like high, medium, low. Start values we will select as a input, like high, medium, low. Genre values we select, like sci-fi, action movie. There we select input, 10 input features. Technical effect into the movies, like action, high, medium, high resolution graphics, very good sceneries, scenes in the movies. As we select three features from the technical effect to the neural network, high, medium, low type of. Then sequel, the is there any historical touch connection to the movie, or it is the only entertainment movie. That from this we will select two features, yes, no, like that. The number of screen for positive integers is there as a input. Once we have selected 1 to 7 inputs, and then we'll provide the hidden layer processing element. There 18 element we have selected for the input layer, 27 processing, and according to we get the output. If the hidden layer, hidden parameters are appropriate, then we get the blockbuster movie, like a class 9. Otherwise there may be chance flop movie, average movie, like a class 3 movie, uh, class 4 movie, class 5 movie, class 6 movie, class 7, class 8. If it is class 9, then it is blockbuster and it will earn more money as a flop movie than flop movie. So we require testing and train artificial neural network model. Therefore we will data is split into three parts, like training data, validation data, and testing data. Suppose there are hundreds of records we have, then for training we will keep 60% of data, and for validation we will take 20% of data, and for testing we will keep 20% of data. Once we will train the model with the 60% of data, and at the time of testing we will validate by the 20% of data. Or there is the k-fold cross validation, Lisa bias or time consuming. It is, we can use the k-fold, like there we can use one fold, two fold method, three fold method, nine fold method, or the k-fold method we can say. There suppose we have hundreds of record, then and we are doing there suppose uh, five fold in hundreds of records. Suppose we are doing a five fold cross validation, then we have to divide the data hundreds of record into the five records. Then we'll get 10 20 20 20 records, 20 20 20 20 and 20 of record. We make their partition, we will make their the segments of 20 records. For in first pass we will provide these 20 records as a we will keep this as a test record, and remaining all these record we will keep as a test training to the network. And in next we'll calculate the error estimation E1. Error estimation, there will be error estimation E1. In second step we select the another 20 records for the testing, and remaining part we keep there for the training. 20 20 like this. In next pass we will select another 20 records as a test, and remaining will be 10, and find the error estimations. There we will keep E2 as a error estimations until how much, until all record we have to make as a test one by one from uh, 1 to 5. Means we will get 5 error estimations record: E1, E2, E3, E4 and up to E5. We will get at last E5 error estimation, and then until the K, we can keep E1, E2 up to EK. K means the K-fold cross validations. This is a time consuming process because all the records we have to make there as a testing sample, as a training sample and the validation sample. So at last we have to keep this record in the error estimation formula, that is equal to E equal to 1 upon K summation of I equal to 1 to K and Ti. This is the formula. With this we can calculate the K-fold cross validations. Is it understood? Yes, is it understood? Now you see the sensitivity analysis of an artificial neural network models. A common criticism for artificial neural network: the lack of expandability, the black box syndrome. Answer: sensitivity analysis. First, conduct on a trained artificial neural network. The input are per perturbed while the relative change on the output is measured recorded. Result illustrate the relative importance of the input variables. This we will see in next lectures. If you have any doubt till, you can ask me questions. Otherwise we'll stop here. Yes, do you have any question? If you have any question you can ask. Otherwise join uh, another lecture. Okay, thank you. Have a nice day. Bye. Thank you.